Now, WLOX First Alert Weather with Chief Meteorologist Carrie Duncan.
Well, we are watching flooding rains in South Mississippi. We're looking at radar estimated rainfall over the past 24 hours. We're going to be concentrating in that area where the flash flood warning was issued because you can see that stretch of the heaviest rain right basically from the Long Beach area stretching up through Gulfport, the really Wool Market area and up into Van Cleve and Hurley. So this is the area we're watching and seeing. Check out the rainfall from the past 24 hours. Over 5 inches, almost 5.5 inches in the Long Beach, Gulfport area, 5.8 inches up in Jackson County. So even more as we head up toward the Van Cleve area, seeing about 4 inches, and then up near Wade and Hurley about 4 inches as well. And that's just, again, the past 24 hours. We're continuing to watch this rain. Now, the heaviest rain has actually moved outside of the flash flood warning box, but all of this area, I would definitely say avoid Highway 90 in East Biloxi. I know that that area is going to be flooding. We got pictures today of some of those roads underwater down in the Point area. So be very careful. Just don't drive if you don't have to. Wait for this rain to subside, and it's going to be a little while. So stretching from Biloxi and Gulfport into D'Iberville, over into St. Martin, Ocean Springs, even up into Van Cleve, Gautier getting a good shower right now, and then over into Helena, seeing a little bit of rain, and then moving north, Hurley, Wade, seeing some showers. We've had some pretty consistent moderate rain over parts of George County today, but look, there's more back to the west. Northwest Harrison County, through Diamond Head, into the Kill, just south of the Kill really, into Hancock County, seeing some showers, and then up and down 59 in Poplarville, seeing some very heavy rain as well. So we're still seeing some pockets of this heavy rain. A lot of the heavy rain still moving off to our east, but we are still seeing that somewhat training effect. It does look like it's somewhat starting to wrap up, but then we see more showers back behind it. So just because this one round is over doesn't mean that's going to be it for tonight. We do have that flash flood warning in effect until 7:30 tonight. A flash flood watch is in effect until 10 o'clock tonight. So we're definitely going to be keeping a very close eye on this as we move through the evening hours. So we'll watch these showers move through, and this is at 9:30, still seeing a good bit of coverage on the radar through 11 o'clock throughout Jackson County and George County. Again, seeing rain. This is not the best news. We are seeing flooding conditions and we need a break. So when are we going to get it? We're still going to see those scattered showers through the day tomorrow, maybe a thunderstorm or two, and then check out from Friday afternoon, it starts to scatter more and get to be a little bit light, and then Saturday, a few clouds. Saturday morning, even Saturday afternoon, just a 20% chance of showers on Saturday and Sunday. So that's when we're going to get a little bit of relief. Looking at our flood watches and warnings, we have that flash flood watch again for all of South Mississippi through 10 o'clock. 7:30 for this flash flood warning, and then the rivers are also in flood. So speaking of the rivers, now these numbers could certainly change because of the amount of rain we've seen, but currently the Biloxi River near Lyman is expected to crest 2 feet above flood stage tomorrow morning. The Wolf River at Bell's Ferry expected to crest at 7 feet, which is below flood, but you still get action at 7 feet. The Pearl River at Bogalusa and Pearl River will remain in flood, and then also the Pascagoula River at Merrill and Grand Ferry will both remain in flood. They were starting to fall, now they're rising back up slowly, and they're going to stay above flood through July 4th at least. And then the West and East Bowley Creeks expected to crest both above flood stage tomorrow afternoon, evening. As far as the marine forecast, there was a special marine warning earlier because of the rain and thunderstorms. And then checking out the tides, 1.2 feet is going to be our difference between low tide, which will be coming up late tonight, and then high tide in the afternoon tomorrow. Here's a look at the next 7 days. Doesn't look too terribly bad because it looks like we finally get at least a little bit of a break. But with the break from the rain comes the warmer temperatures. We're definitely going to be hot and humid. Next week really starts our summertime pattern of hot and humid with those scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon. And we're going to be expecting to see heat indices rising into the 100s.
Oh, wow. Okay. But still a lot more rain to track through the night.
Absolutely.
Okay. And if you want to see